Hey and howdy everyone, it's Jeannie with Paper Pixie Ink. Welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to do a pretty quick walkthrough of a 4 1/4 by 6 1/4 album that I made. This album is pretty simplistic, but I really like how it turned out. It's really easy to make, and there will be a tutorial following this on the majority of the components and everything, how I put this all together. So I made this using the Moonflower Magic paper pad. This is from Craftsmart. I got it from Michael's 3-4 years ago now, I think it was. I really liked it. It's really pretty paper. I've always been kind of hesitant to use it because I liked it so much I didn't know what to do with it. But I have made a promise to myself that I am going to try really hard to get through some of the items that are in my stash. So this is one of those. I am going to be doing a few different albums made from this paper. I made this 4 1/4 by 6 1/4 album. I'll be making a 6 1/4 by 6 1/4 album, as well as a 6 by 8 album. And I think those are only going to use about half of the paper in this collection. So we'll see how those go. Look for those hopefully sometime in the near future. So let's dive into the album. So I kept it pretty simple. This is 4 1/4 by 6 1/4. The spine is 2.5, so there's quite a bit of space to add a bit of bulk if you so desire. This Shine Like the Stars and this Moonflower Magic, these I created on my own using Canva. So in the collection, there are some really pretty cut-aparts that you can use that match the collection beautifully. However, there wasn't a lot of them, and I kind of wanted to save them for the larger size albums that I'm going to make. So I took some of the phrases from those and I just recreated them using Canva, and I just printed them and cut them out myself. So the cover, this part here is still open, so you can tuck a photo in on this cover photo mat here. These flowers I've used throughout the album. I just used some punches. This one is from EK Success, and then this one is from Fiskars. I used some punches and some gems that I had in my stash that I bought off Amazon like forever ago. I'll try and link them in the description if I can, to create these little flowers that I just used throughout it. So my spine I kept simple. This again is another one of the ones that I created using Canva, and then I just kind of framed it with a couple of flowers. And then the back I left simple. The Moonflower Magic, this is just the name of the collection. So my binding is, my closure is just made using some of my chiffon ribbon that I like so much, and I will link those in the description as well. When you first open it up, again, I kept it pretty basic, but there's actually quite a bit of space in such a small album. So this is magnetized closed, and it's just one of the waterfall features. So there's quite a few places to put photos in here. And again, this is magnetized. And then this is just a basic mat. So this is open. So these are all open spaces, so you can tuck photos in. And these two pages are much the same. It just says, "You are my stars, you are my moon." These pages here, they are flaps, so you have this extra space. I didn't want to add a whole bunch of bulk on the inside here. This album will be available on my Etsy shop, and so the extra pieces, I had extra flowers, I had some of the extra phrases as well, and some some cardstock, both the black and the white cardstock will be included with the purchase. So you can add your own touches to this album if you want. And then this just says shine like the stars, and there are magic in the stars. These photo mats are all 2 3/4 inches by 3 3/4 inches. So they will mat a 2.5 by 3.5 photo really, really well. This just, you are my moon, you are my stars. And these are just some simple pockets so that have some inserts. So these are 3 by 4, so you can actually mat some, you know, photos on these. You can mat some photos on these. You can use them for journaling. You can mat photos and do journaling on the back. And then these are just a couple of simple little tags that I made with some of the excess pattern paper that we had from the collection. So this just says there is magic in the stars and be a magic seeker. And again, these are just open. Dream by moonlight. Got it there. Be a magic seeker. And then you have another one of the waterfall features here. So again, it's a very simplistic album, but quite a bit of space in a smaller album like this. The pages are pocket pages. I have not made any inserts for these. I don't think that I'm going to. However, as I said, as part of the package you will receive if you purchase this album from my Etsy shop, there will be some black cardstock and some white cardstock, so you can create some mats for yourself to insert here to put more in your pockets or whatever, as well as some of the phrases and flowers that I had left over from the creation of this album as well. So I hope that you enjoyed this album. Again, there will be a tutorial that I will make available for this album if you're interested in trying to recreate it yourself. It is a very beginner album. It comes together pretty quickly, and it is fairly easy to make, and you can adjust the sizing for really any size album that you want, just bearing in mind that you will need larger pieces of paper. So I hope you enjoyed, and as always, if you're interested in seeing more, don't forget to click on that subscribe button. Thanks, everyone.